Hi everyone, I'm Emma Allen and I'm here to talk about digital footprint and reputation. For starters, it's important to ask, what exactly is a digital footprint and why is it important? To put it simply, our digital world is permanent, and with every post that someone makes, they are building a digital footprint. It's crucial for students to self-reflect before they reveal too much about themselves online because whatever they share can impact themselves and others. The digital world is a great place for students to collaborate, showcase their creativity, and express themselves, but this disclosure brings about risks for everyone, and young people especially. A spur of the moment post can resurface years later, and it can be interpreted in ways that were never intended. Becoming aware of the digital footprint you're leaving helps you manage your privacy online as well as the privacy of others. One important thing to keep in mind is that your digital footprint is something that future schools and employers will look at when they're considering you for a position. Here are 3 tips to remember when keeping a positive digital footprint and reputation. 1. Regularly go through your social media, analyze it, and delete any negative posts. 2. Search yourself online and see what the web knows about you. See if what you find is something that you want others to know about you. And 3. Take control of your profile and posts. Limit who can see your posts and who can follow you. Follow these tips and be conscious about your online activity, and you should be fine. That's it for me. Thank you for watching.